begin to show you how to install your hair by your own self in your own comfort zone. Spray around. If you get hand fan, use your hand fan. If you not get anything or guinea kind of make, you can use anything. See, the thing that's sticky. Can you see that? Now let's begin to install. Drag it, baby. So you bring it forward. So may pass your natural hair a bit, okay? You bring down like this. Yeah. Now begin carry your ratchet comb and begin to press down. Press it down, baby. Okay. Spray again. So you begin to bring her down. Okay. Press down. You begin use your melty band. Begin to use it. I waited for 15 minutes. Woo! Place. You flatten down. Make sure you are using force and you are pressing down. I begin to apply my lace mat. And then you apply on the edges here. I'm like, guinea kind of me. I hope you are learning something. I hope you are learning something. This is on period and there is no cap. You want to begin to band it, like use your meti band to match it to your lace. And this is on period. Check out the final look organic kind of make quick question, guys. So this is the final wig installation. This is on period. So my makeup is nicely done, and everything is looking gangalized. I hope you learned something on this video on how to install your hair by your own self, your own comfort zone. How many times I could tell now, but don't worry, I gotta continue to tell now, okay? Like, I'm loving this look and this is on period. Ungwanu, you understand me? So I hope you grab one or two things. If you have any question, don't forget to drop it at the comment section. Ungwanu, I will be there to answer you all. Guinea kind of me. I will see you guys in my next video. Let me go slay my slay.